Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Project. So in this video, I will show you the school management system using Python. User have to first log in with the details. Okay, after that, they have to click on the I am robot checkbox button. Okay, then it will open the dashboard where there will be a few more options like home, view ID profile, notify staff, notify student, staff, add student, manage student, add course, manage course, add subject, manage subject, add session, manage session, view attendance, student feedback, staff feedback, staff leave, student leave, and logout section. These are all the options where you can add the details and it will store data in database. So let's log out with the that particular section and log in with the student section. I'm just entering the username and password and then click on the sign in button. Then it will open the student homepage and there will be a view or edit profile, view results, view attendance, view notifications, apply for leave, feedback, and the logout section. So this is the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon, and thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.